good? In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to build landing page on Unbounce. Unbounce is a platform that you can use even as a complete beginner to create a high-performing and professional-looking landing page. To get started, you'll need to go onto unbounce.com. While they do offer a free trial, you do have to sign up using a credit card. So that is the only pullback. They offer a 14-day free trial period, but to get started, you'll need to sign up with a credit card. Once you're signed up, you will be redirected to this dashboard. On this dashboard, you'll now be able to pick a template to start creating your landing page. So you can see different templates that you can choose from. You can also tap on filter right here, and from here you can filter it depending on the category or the type or purpose of your landing page. So you can see the different options. You can also sort by popular, name, or recent. Or if you would like to start with a blank page, you can do that. Let's say, for example, we were to stick with the current template. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now is tap on Start with this template in the bottom right hand corner. After you have selected Start with this template, you'll be redirected to the editor page. On the editor page, it is quite straightforward, just like most landing page builders. All you'll need to do is tap on the text or the particular section that you would like to edit. So for example, let's say you would like to make changes to this text section. You can simply tap on the text, then from there you can go over to the right hand menu option, and from here you can quickly scroll down. If you would like to change the font size, you can do that. You can tap on the different font sizes, as you can see right there. If you would like to change the font style, you can do that. You can also change the text color and so on. It is quite easy to edit. You can also tap on page properties, and from there you can see the default text style. I could change that if I want. I can adjust it to anything I want. It is quite easy to edit each section, and again you can tap on a different section and you can continue editing going down. If it is a case that you would like to add an element, you can do that by going over to the left hand menu option. From here you can see that you can add section, you can add box, you can add text, image, button, any one of these. If you like to add a pop-up, you can do that. You can also embed video or add custom HTML. And if we were to scroll down, you can tap on each section that you would like to edit once more. So if you like to make changes to the text, you can do that by tapping on the text, then going over to the right hand menu option. From here, you'll see the different editing options. You can also tap on the button right there. If you like to change the button text, you can do that. From the right hand menu option, you can also change the action, as you can see right there. And it is the same thing with the image. You can simply tap on the image to change the current image, and you can scroll down and continue making quick changes. Once you're finished making the changes to your landing page, all you'll need to do now is tap on preview in the top right hand corner. Before doing that, let me save the changes. So I'll tap on save. After I've done that, I'm going to tap on preview in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on preview, from there you can choose to preview it in desktop, or you can choose to preview the mobile version, as you can see right there. Once it is to your liking, you'll tap on edit once more in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on edit, you can see right there that our website has now been published. So since it has now been published, you'll be able to share the URL and so on. And that's basically it when it comes on to using Unbounce. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. As you can see right here, here's our template. All you'll need to do, you can tap on publish right there. After you have tapped on publish, from here, if you would like to add a subdomain name, you can do that. So you can see that they provide us with a domain name. Then you'll tap on save URL and publish. So once that name is not available, let me put in, for example, 12345. So you can see right there. Once it is not available, you'll be able to get that particular subdomain name. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If in the future you'd like to upgrade and go onto a paid domain, you can do that By tapping on domains right there, you can connect a domain name. Thanks for watching.